Well, I really, social media was the reason I'm here today. So I started in lockdown in 2021, just on Facebook with a little bit of stock in my mother's back bedroom, just going live on Facebook, showing the customers what I had to offer, what sizes I was doing. And then it just grew from there. I noticed then it was a big sort of platform on Facebook. And then that just went from strength to strength. And then we opened the shop 6 months later, which is absolutely amazing. Social media for us, I mean, it's the advertisement. It's totally free, which helps any business. It promotes the stock for me, which is amazing, and it reaches a bigger platform. So, I mean, like local advertising is great, and we get a lot of local customers. But with social media, you can spread your wings, and basically it goes worldwide, and which we do worldwide. With the website, we ship out everywhere. So yeah, social media is great. It is fab. So we are definitely busier online. Definitely busier online. But what we find is customers, I mean, I get the older ladies who like to come in, they like to have a chat with us. They get to try things on, which they don't get that with online. But our younger shoppers, 100% definitely prefer online. They use click and collect. They come into store just after work or picking the kids up from school, grab their parcels and off they go. So we do tend to find that the younger generation do use online more. And then the older generation, they like to come in, they like to have a chat. They bring us biscuits. So it's great, yeah. I would probably say 60-40 for online. We definitely do 60% more online. I think that social media changes every day. There's always something new with social media. I mean, the hashtagging and everything else that comes with social media, there's always something new. And I'm never sort of up to date with always the new things that are coming out. So I do think there's definitely improvement for me to learn with social media, definitely. The customers that we have in store are quite vocal, and they do message on social media to say they come in. So we tend to know where customers are coming from. But I do think it'd be good to see where the local customers are coming from. So like Mortar, Aberdeen, Caerphilly, because I don't know, because the customers just come in. I don't know where they are coming from. So that, in that sense, would be good, yeah.